Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. An active Angel One account with F&O enabled, cleared KYC, and enough margin. Once done, log in and enable two-factor authentication for safety. Next, open the app or web portal, navigate to Market Then Derivatives, and choose the NSE F&O segment. You should check your available span and exposure limits because they determine order size. Make sure real-time quotes are on. Without live prices, you can't execute precise entry levels. Now you're ready to find a contract. You now pick the instrument. Choose index or stock, then pick expiry, strike, and CE or PE if trading options, or select a futures contract. Once chosen, decide product type, MIS for intraday, NRML for overnight. Enter quantity in lots and set your order type. Limit for precise entry, market for immediate fills, or SL/SLM for protective exits. Before you confirm, check the margin and leverage displayed. This affects position size and risk. When satisfied, place the order and monitor the order book for execution status. You finish by actively managing positions. Open orders and positions to track P&L, add targets and stop losses, or use One Cancels Other setups to automate exits. When exiting, choose square off or close by leg. For options and near-expiry futures, close early to avoid assignment or delivery. If an order fails or shows pending, first confirm sufficient margin, correct product type, and market status. Sometimes exchanges halt trading. If the app disconnects, retry on web, cancel stale orders, and contact Angel One support with order ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.